I am Dr. Oluyemi Adediran. I have a PhD in English from the University of Lagos, Nigeria. And today I will be talking about English literature, and the exam we are going to examine is GCSE. The full meaning of GCSE is General Certificate of Secondary Education. It is awarded in the United Kingdom, and for the secondary school students who are trying to move into the university, you write the exam. That is the exam, an entrance exam into the university. We have another version of it, which is IGCSE. That is International General Certificate of Secondary Education. That is for international students. So let's look at the English literature today. We are looking at English literature today, and the question we are going to examine, an extract has been given to us from Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde, a novella by Stevenson. The question in this aspect could be from Macbeth, from Othello, The Tempest, or any other recommended text. So we've been given an extract, and we'll be giving questions. So let's look at the questions. Look at the questions. Now, this is a question. The question says, starting with this extract, explore how Stevenson presents the theme of evil in Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde. So we are asked to write on how he presents evil in this extract and how Stevenson presents evil in the novel as a whole. Now, this is how we go about the writing. I'm going to give us a structure that will be used to write it in a very simple way. Now, the first thing you do is to answer the question in one sentence, and we are using the formula P. P is for points. In the other aspect of points, just give us 1 point. The question is asking how evil has been presented by Stevenson. In one sentence, you tell the examiner how evil has been presented in the extract. Okay, this is an example here. In this extract, Stevenson immediately presents evil as something casual, shocking, and deeply inhuman. Okay, that's how we start the introduction part of this answer. Now, the next thing to do is to use E. That's the evidence. Present the evidence. You should present the evidence. And now, look at it now. We start from here. The evidence. The adverb calmly tramp calmly over the child's body creates a disturbing contrast between Hyde's violent action and his emotionless attitude. So we stop here. So then that's the end of the explanation. The next thing to do, that's the end of the evidence. To give the evidence, you give an evidence, and you can start from the phrase from the extract. The next thing to do is to give the explanation. That's the second E. Explanation. To explain. You explain your point. You explain the evidence you have given. So the explanation starts from here. The juxtaposition of brutality and calmness shows that Hyde's evil is not impulsive or provoked, but innate. He harms others without remorse. So that concludes the introduction to this answer. So let's go to the body of this